Sometimes we encounter annoying distraction in our favorite images. We wish we could easily remove them, but there are several professional steps involved. Today we will explore a simple way to remove these distractions from your photos and say goodbye to distraction and enjoy your photos more. In this video, learn how to save time and enhance the visual appeal of your photos and achieve professional grade result with just few clicks by utilizing the cleanup tool and its extraordinary generative fill capabilities. Now open Photos app, then select an image and enter edit mode. Click cleanup in the toolbar. Now adjust your brush size, use size slider to change the brush size. This allows you to fine tune your selection. The cleanup tool may automatically highlight items that it thinks you will want to remove. You can simply click those highlighted areas. Use Command Z to undo action. Alternatively, you can click and brush the circle areas you want to remove manually. Click on Done to save your changes. The cleanup tool effectiveness tried to Apple Intelligence, so the result can vary. You can select multiple times to make it perfect. Hope this video is helpful. Please like and subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.